Mwanjumuriri Ndizi TV nande nigo charagire Chinsa Ikomi chabanwara krongo kwaria ni SMS magana maya eringomba nyiba igona lagandete gwatega kuruma mbiriaga kiete goika poniga no kubolikwana na ikaranso ikosira libagali oli habanura mana lagandete gwateka imena isko ya Gusii korwa sensema ya iria nyimo chasugusu amo nabosongo abomo bwasimiolo moja abokula wanarera morodinga nigo bono bara liribuna alitiko lichuma eririkale saba wikabachikorobekana anekrabandete komoche serikali ya Kenya kwanza hasogo taigwa ebirero by'abakenya boiga barai ao nigo barengase county ya Kericho bakora wano mokonyi bo murai bwenseri katika shawa ase bakora masabo enene kuba inyora bari basiriti buguma bwabo kwatikana numbasukano korekana asezemeri ya rundiani litukuligo kiera Jumamosi sensemeri ayungati yale andata korekana imena isiko ya Gusii kuboli obenenje wikomwelio rutokubadira na chosho utakorwa sensemeri ende yumunube banyerero karabigari yanja makone kuna gochiri wetera sirio ya mone chibicha eliane Brighton Makori. Magiga ya serikali bono kubwatuka chibese kubwatuka chibese kujya sensemeri ya inua chami nigo bono mogokore gochase bari bare asomorobeyo anene abagotukurwa se county ya Kisii nigo bono bagokeiro morobeyo ya sebateruna nigo beire oyubwe siro gochase bare nonyino kwenyore bitoki byebike ende banyara bakwegendelia asobogima bwabo boiga bobisa ba inua chami ya se county ya Kisii banyara bagotwara libali abena gukwana iguru y'umorobeyo yo na kyogenderede ase county ya Kisii
Gokindu serio mongina gento gake waje koromba romba ngorire gento gake ngorina ganto gasini ni gana andu mwatenga ganto kare kagwanza mongina ko beke gichunchu goriko obeka igoro kanya gutioke karaga atiokiro mongina akora buyote mu maka no nyuchete koria igota tabirere teacher na bira taka.
I know there's basically some issues that these people are actually facing. One is that the issue of the fingerprint. For the fingerprint, we have agreed with the banks. If somebody has an issue of the fingerprint, what they do is that they come to our offices, they are checked if they are in the payroll, they are given a letter from our desk, and you go straight to the bank and you get the payments at the counter. We have also an issue of the distance is actually sorted out by the issue of the timetable.
Tunashukuru serikali singencho ya tokonyire tuanyore chibesechi tosukichire korwa setore ucheke wango kende moso abantu baremafu abana baremafu pia na barabumba teta masomo bono chibesechi anene ngo tokonya chire gwaka na school fees kuna na abana chintakana boyo bagwaka
Omosubati oyomo harisimura oyure mutakano korwa asensemo yaikoba nigagenderete kuyetera makongu anene ekerata bwate bitoki nonyene byokonyore ndagira nonyene byokogendereri abana baye ase school bono nigabuli abasamaria baya kusokia na komokonya anekera noina abachukuru baye barase school bataranyora kende bawukira se school eyo tatoranyora kiba anyara ka ukwana konero roboti oru nonete kwariganiwa no morikuto job mangi korwa se county ya Nyamira
asamarieta na alisimura moga kanjali simanyi lakini na asirete ninchendo no muburaka na iteira matemo amange na maga magirana mbugata abana umurema nimbugata ubugata abana babere injira yo kubaragera nyomba timbugati abarwaire mbugate ngwire nyagitari murwire buno uyu ngumuira Kenyatta
koigwo busare ruwa senda yane nyugwe tobokendu boire kubwa nigwo muchando yo gasinya ngakore ruwe surgery bagataba nechi cyst chire both sides bakandusie cyst echipato ngapain njachi gokea bakandifa tu Kenyatta National Hospital abu Kenyatta na beire ginko gendoro no chibesa chitakeire na nyorire ti
ngosaba abasamari baitonye monyu kweterio gieri monkonye inamba yane ne 007 06 36 77 05 etekoreta alisimura ongera
kubatikana n'umusangano oyokore turi tukuregoro nobomo bwa Kenya kwanza gose kiama kya UDA ase county ya Kisii ki yora etwe no morikyo monene bwe kiame kyo kirobas marara nigobona bamenyi bekao gatia bamenyi bekao ntia Kisii sokiri na komocho musangano ya sebateruna musangano yo tobwate bosera bonde bwenzu jase omagusi asebono bakuragwana Bernard Nyamwaro oyukorwa se kyombe ya Jude Africa nigatena bono ninga kyabarai no ina se county ya Kisii batakire konyora esko yabo
tokore siasa ere yo machoko siasa ere yo boronge ye kene abantu bari bonse igo babangete Dr. Manduku ase birengere byane iga bangete ngogoche kuwa ye garia nabaruo yo mobo bwogo chigo defect aso UDA agende koriye kero kyobo governor 2022 so a meeting ya igoro tindo chibantu bako ba registered gwetania ekero kwarego sabu no mogeni oli ikerie tari yao buna procedure ende yons ase mukutano onde bwenzi oswa igonko boria barai baitu aso bwororo iga inga igo bachore twa abajumbe bonse aso koreta magendero Gusii eria kabere mwanye Simba arati oyo ngo susura na kwembora kera rituko basinye tukorosia a process na barabu yoko mwembora mbare gotumeke nchereria bagende gokwanero monta mangana otaiyo Kenya giga nande eritari erenjera bare korigia komoikeria mangana ayo ekiagera omugabana no monto monene museneta no monto monene n'abachumbe n'abantu abanene
ase chinga kiechecho Bernard Nyamwaro nigobona boli buna omugabana bwe county ya Kisii natakire kwewa masikani aye elinda korere abagusi emirimo eli bamochorede gakwana nigatena nero rabiriga komocho mugabana bwe county ya Kisii korende nechinga kyatakire kwewa esko yae na masikani aye elinanyareka okorera abagusi emirimo asa mubori simbara tuyuruma bana bwe county ya Kisii kwimukira igoro ekiagera ensemeriende niyo yarorena nigetakire gocha komomocha kirengaki.
Our critique should be positive. I don't critique Governor Simba. And I can tell you that in the 9 months I have been in these issues, you have been giving me these opportunities. I can attest that Simba has done now 1 or 2. One of which he has done are the bursaries, which we didn't have the last previous government and which were cancelled. And 2, there are a number of roads which are being done. I can attest and I'll give the copies which they have forwarded to me. And that does not mean that I have become or I'm supporting Simba authoritatively. I'm asking Simba that you have known now that the war has started. You need to pull up your socks, do what the members or the citizens of Kisii County voted for you to do. Ensure that you outsmart these people. And the members of parliament, it is too early. Get back to your platform and your areas of jurisdiction and ensure that you have done what the citizens engaged you by voting you into those positions.
Yase katogoska bosio nigon bomobwasi miura moja wani Kenya bukura wanaraira morodinga banyarire bakura libene buna goikokorobekana kwabo ogukare chitariki isano mnaibero motinyo yiga ochikogendera buna barobereti asensemeli ya Kamkunji kaukwana ritukura rero nigateruna goseni goba mochirie serikali ya Kenya kwanza anene ase ogotaigwa ebirengerero byaba Kenya tigaturagwa kireira anyaraka okwana semarogoba ya boniga.
We are embarking on some drastic actions against the Ruto illegitimate regime because of Ruto's own actions against us. Ruto is imposing taxes on us without our consent and making laws whose net effect is to make life increasingly difficult for our people. We are here because the taxation situation in the country and its accompanying injustices can no longer be tolerated. Ruto has even removed subsidies on fuel, unga, electricity, and even school fees, while giving subsidies to helicopter owners and using our money to finance lavish lifestyles of his allies. It has become clear that we are dealing with a dictator who also has no respect for Wananchi.
Abarai ao banyara bawikirana sumusangano bwamasabase county ya Kerijo kubatkano basukano bwe baro yo karekanta sense meri ya rondiani go bana baboririe emero berneta kire kubekwa asense moyo bosombi irigo gutanga mbasukano iri chigwatika ujasa matko alebosio.
Wale ambao wamepata mafundisho ya kuhakikisha ajali kwa barabara zinaondolewa, na hawa ni polisi na NTSA. Your Excellency, hata huko kwetu Webuye tumekuwa na ajali mwezi moja ijaisha, tukapoteza watoto 17. Mimi huwa nashindwa kwa nini roadblock ya polisi ile ambaye inatakana kuwakumbusha madereva mambo ya usalama ya barabarani inawekwa mahali iko msitu mahali hakuna watu.
Mimi nasikia viongozi wanasema kwamba tuweke polisi, tuweke NTSA, turudishe sheria, na kubaliana nao. That is very true. But over and above that, Your Excellency, countries that have succeeded to reduce road deaths and accidents are those that punish people that commit traffic offenses. The problem with this country is that people get away easily with killing people on the roads, with causing accidents. Watu wengi wanaumia.
Boigo asensemo yumuwasiri bobosombi kibujumba murukomen ngonera teruno kubatera ukakoboro elinda machikayo hanyarega kubekwa.
Yangu inahusiana na yale ambayo yafaa kufanywa kuhakikisha tunapunguza mambo ya ajali. Na ingawa wizara hii iko na jukumu hilo, jukumu sio ya wizara peke yake, sio ya polisi, hata kama wako idara ya interior. Na ningependa kutoa rambirambi ya waziri Kindiki, ameenda kazi nyingine huko Northeastern na amenituma na rambirambi zake. Sisi tunashirikiana kufanya kazi hiyo, lakini jukumu haswa ni kwa sisi sote ambao ni watumizi wa barabara, haswa madereva na wale wanatumia barabara. Na tulipoingia katika ofisi nimetangaza a number of things that need to be done. And Your Excellency, under your leadership and the one of the President, you have insisted and you have told me that we must do everything possible to sort out the issue of road accidents. I know many of my colleagues here have said that I should do the way my predecessor, the late John Michuki, did. But, you know, we can't use another period of time strategies to sort a problem that is affecting us today.
Nigo murukama nigatere na bono nigo babekira machiko maya ayara juigwa sebunge aitigwe elinda chigo kanyeme basukano yakorakana se chibara.
We have decided as a ministry that we will issue new regulations and we will need support of Parliament. And when the regulations get to Parliament soon, Your Excellency, we want all commercial and PSV vehicles and school transport vehicles must, the word is must, be fitted with dashboard cameras and vehicle telematics. All vehicles that will carry the people of Kenya and commercial vehicles on the road must be fitted with dashboard cameras and vehicle telematics.
Omokonyi bumurai bwenseri katika shawa wiboigo ikerana samasaba unigatena okubatira na weka kobororo asogokore mebasukaniri endete kwateka asense ya Kenya aseboiga mubuli mu wasiri bobosombi kibujuba murukamani kobwati chimbarajero jenya gosiro yokabero mu wasiri bobosombi amonu bwaga chimichoni michuki erigokora osekujebeka asenjerengia na gukore mebasukaniri endete gukorekana asense ya Kenya
on our roads. And the measures you have spelled out here today make a lot of sense to all of us. The public sector, ya matatu na mabus na malori, has been chaotic. It is true, the late John Michoki attempted to do a very good job. And you must emulate him, but do it differently using now technology. Because these are different times. I know some accept that for us to have meaning of change, there are few people here and there who will be affected, but for the better good for the people of Kenya. So tungetaka kuuliza wabunge wetu, when those regulations come before the National Assembly, the way our very able speaker has committed. Let us support the minister and the ministry so that we can create sanity in our roads and save lives, because this is very painful. Ningetaka kusema mumeomba ya kwamba serikali pia isaidie kwa maneno ya mazishi.
Abo nongo iko mweri wa mangana itama ya Chinsa Ikomi kwa tinagenda kuri Ndizi TV na Rowan Smausi Iriane Brighton Makori.